Hello, this is Nandini Borkar. Title: Today was a strange day. I was thinking about a very old dear friend from whom I have not heard, and then I thought, but I shouldn't have. What if, and what if the tring, there was a call. I masked, hid my thoughts, and then not a word about it. But I did want to know how this person is. I still don't know. When I got a call from a common friend, I didn't even utter this worry. I just didn't say a word. I didn't say a thing. Sometimes you go around and wish for, say, a 10-minute dialogue. One-to-one? No, that doesn't happen. And maybe that is why I haven't been to so many places where I could have gone. You feel like a blackboard, simply like a sheet of paper. Nothing happens. Not that something should. But lessons do. You may not have a book or turn pages or search for one. You get your lessons. We go to parties, shops, well dressed, and there's no difference in a floral bouquet. And you do your job of looking good or paint a good calm face. You feel you may be read correctly and have a small word, but nothing happens. Happy to write after years. Hope this would turn a page and make me think, write, observe, dwell on a moment, and not ask or wish for anything. I kind of feel I'm happy in a moment than in the other one, which I look for as happiness. No, it isn't. And now I remain waiting still to get some news about the well-being of that one someone. And that's all from Nandini Borkar. Just wrote it a while back.